Ever want to wrap things up in plastic that you see at the stores? This product may be right for you. And I got cardboard that I need to wrap up, and I'm going to demonstrate on how to do that, and very simple indeed. So if you like packaging things and you want to package a whole bunch of things, this may be right for you. Let's open it up, show you what you get inside the box. We get 2 rolls of plastic, and they come with a blue washer that you're going to put on a handle that operates for this unit to spin freely. Since I don't have one, I can make up a handle or put it on the base and wrap my things. I could simply show you how to make one, but we're going to show you how this product works. The handle comes off like so. As you can see, it's orange on the inside, the spin wheel. And what we're going to go do now is go wrap up the box. It's garbage day. I got a simple PVC pipe that I could put in. And I simply start my wrap by finding the edge. And I am going to wrap up my cardboard rather than string, because shrink wrap or plastic wrap is a lot stronger than string at given times. So I started off, I place it on, I roll the roller, and I flip it around, and I do my best to wrap things up. My cardboard ready for trash. Whenever I need to use the plastic wrap, I have plenty more to wrap up cardboard and packages indeed. I hope this product is something that you're looking for to take care of your wrapping needs. Plastic wrap.